Hey there, I'm Douglas from Draftbit. In this video, we're going to be exploring the Markdown component. This component allows you to render Markdown formatted text directly inside your application. I'll also walk you through some of the basic Markdown syntax to help you get started. Firstly, what is Markdown? Markdown is a simple and effective way to format plain text with elements like headings, lists, links, and more. It's commonly used for writing documentation notes or any text that needs lightweight formatting. To add the Markdown component in Draftbit, go ahead to the left side panel, click Add, then we're going to search for Markdown. Once the component has been added to your screen, we're going to click the Markdown component and then we're going to head over to the Data tab. So inside here where it says Markdown text is where we're going to be typing our Markdown. And we're able to expand this so we can get better access. If you're new to Markdown, here are some of the most common elements. So a single tag denotes a heading. A double tag denotes heading 2. Then heading 3. And let's save this and see what this looks like. And as you can see, we have heading 1, which is the biggest, heading 2, then heading 3. And then we have much more if we want to bolden some text. Then let's click save and see what that looks like. And this is bold text, and then this is text in italics. And if we go online, we actually have a directory of Markdown and how it works. So you can head over to this cheat sheet. It's called markdownguide.org, and it gives you the syntax. So we looked at the heading, we looked at the bold and then italic, and then this is much more. If you want an ordered list, then you just say 1, 2, 3, wow list, putting the list. If you want an unordered list, this is how you do it. And then for anything code related, this is how you do it. So let's just copy and paste and see what this looks like. And then there you go. This is some text. So in addition, we also have config, which is just going to be the component name. So this is the name as it appears inside of your component tree. So if we have many Markdown components, this is going to help us be able to identify which one we're dealing with. Then up next, we're able to actually style this text. So if we head over to style, we can style the Markdown component to match your app's design using the Styles Properties tab. We're able to customize the font. We're able to customize the color. We're able to play around with the size of the text, line height, and much more. So yeah, this component really doesn't have much. It just enables you to be able to use Markdown inside of your Draftbit application. And that's it. With the Markdown component, you can easily add rich text content to your application. Try it out for yourself. And thank you for watching, and happy building with Draftbit.